Regrets can be a powerful force that haunts us for the rest of our lives. It's like a dark cloud that never leaves, reminding us of our mistakes and missed opportunities. And while we all make mistakes, there are some that can be avoided if we wake up to reality. So listen up, fellas, because we're about to reveal 7 things that men often regret. And trust us, you don't want to be left with these kinds of regrets. Stick around until the end, because we're saving the best for last, and it just might change your life. Don't be a victim of regret. It's time to take control and make the most of every moment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest content. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, letting other people kill your dreams. Many people let other people's opinions and judgments prevent them from pursuing their dreams, but this is a mistake. The truth is, most of these people won't even be a part of your life in 10 years, so you shouldn't base your decisions on their opinions. If there are people in your life who don't support your goals and dreams, it's important to cut them off, even if they're close family members. You need to be ruthless in this regard because you're responsible for your own future. Imagine if you didn't know anyone and there was no one to judge you. What risks would you take? What would you do differently? Maybe you would start a YouTube channel or start your own business. Don't let the fear of judgment hold you back from pursuing your dreams. The regret of not taking action because of other people's opinions can be unbearable. Remember, this is your life, and you have the power to make it what you want it to be. Number 2, standing up against bullies. Taking a stand against bullies is crucial, as bullying can happen anywhere, be it at school, work, or even within one's family. The biggest regret one can have is not standing up to a bully. Bullies tend to pick on those they perceive to be weaker than them, so it's important not to tolerate bullying. If someone tries to bully you, show them that you're not weak. Be ruthless with bullies, as the only way to stop them is by demonstrating strength. In the animal kingdom, there's a small creature that never gets bullied, the honey badger. Despite their small size, they don't allow stronger animals to bully them, and they never become prey. They will fight until the end if they have to. Even a hungry lion would rather look for another prey than have to fight such a ferocious opponent. For the honey badger, it doesn't matter how big and strong the opponent is. If they don't let the honey badger walk off, it will fight back with everything it's got. It will bite their nose off or gouge out their eyes if it has to. No one wants to mess with someone who will fight until their last breath. Adopt the mentality of the honey badger. Make the person who's trying to bully you experience hell, and they won't dare to bully you again. Remember that you have the power to stand up against bullies, and you should never let anyone make you feel weak or powerless. Number 3, wasting your prime years. Your prime years are the years when you are at your physical and mental peak, where you feel like you can take on the world. It is a mistake to waste these years because they don't last forever. Many people never get to experience their prime, so it is important to make the most of it while you can. During your younger years, it's important to work hard to become the best version of yourself. This means taking care of your physical health by eating well and exercising regularly, as well as challenging yourself mentally by learning new skills and taking on new experiences. Don't settle for mediocrity during your prime years. Instead, aim to become a beast. In every aspect of your life, push yourself to your limits and take on challenges that will help you grow and become a better person. If you make the most of your prime years, you will look back on them with pride and satisfaction later in life. Don't let your potential go to waste. Use your prime years to build a strong foundation for your future success. Number 4, letting opportunities slip by. Don't let opportunities slip by because of laziness or fear. Many people let great opportunities pass them by every day, and they regret it later. To become successful, you must take advantage of the opportunities presented to you. The world is full of opportunities, and with the internet, you can start an online business from anywhere in the world. If you are willing to work hard and never give up, you can earn your freedom. Remember, Taking advantage of opportunities requires effort and perseverance. You must be willing to grind and push yourself to achieve your goals. Don't settle for mediocrity or the status quo. Instead, strive for greatness and reach your full potential. When you have an opportunity, take action. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Be bold, take risks, and step out of your comfort zone. In the end, you will be glad you did. Don't look back on your life with regret, wondering what could have been. Seize every opportunity that comes your way and create the life you want. Number 5, not understanding female nature. It's important for every man to understand that being in the wrong relationship can be detrimental to their life and purpose, regardless of age. Choosing a partner should not be taken lightly, and physical appearance should not be the only factor considered. Many men have found themselves in unhappy marriages, claiming that it has ruined their life. It's crucial for young men to focus on personal growth and learn about the nature of women before committing to a relationship. Your purpose and goals should always be a top priority, and your partner should support and align with them. Understanding female nature is crucial in avoiding heartbreak and wasting valuable time. Take the time to educate yourself before making any life-altering decisions. Number 6, not enjoying life. Life is a precious gift, and it's important to make the most of it. While it's important to work hard and pursue your goals, it's equally important to take time to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. You don't have to do anything extravagant to enjoy life. Sometimes it's the little things that bring the most joy. Take a walk in nature, spend time with friends and family, or simply sit down and appreciate the beauty around you. Social media can be a great tool for staying connected with friends and family, but it can also create a false sense of reality. People tend to only show the highlights of their lives, which can make it seem like everyone else is living a more fulfilling life than you. This is simply not true. Everyone has their own struggles and challenges to overcome. Instead of comparing yourself to others, focus on gratitude and appreciation for what you have in your own life. Take a break from social media and spend time being present in the moment. You never know what life has in store for you, so it's important to cherish the time you have and enjoy every moment. Remember, life is a journey, not a destination, so make sure to enjoy the ride. Number 7, not forgiving people. It's often said that holding onto anger and grudges is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. The pain caused by a broken nose or a physical injury will heal with time, but the pain caused by broken relationships and holding onto grudges can last a lifetime. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and hold onto anger, but the consequences of not forgiving can be devastating. Holding onto a grudge can lead to bitterness, resentment, and regret. It's important to remember that everyone makes mistakes, and holding onto anger and resentment only hurts ourselves. Learning to forgive can be difficult, but it's essential for personal growth and happiness. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or excusing the hurtful behavior, but it means letting go of the negative emotions associated with the experience. Forgiveness is an act of strength, not weakness. It's important to remember that we're all human and we all make mistakes. Owning up to our mistakes and apologizing is a sign of maturity and strength. Forgiving others for their mistakes is a way to free ourselves from the burden of anger and resentment. And that wraps up our video on the 7 lessons men learn too late in life. Remember, it's never too late to start implementing these lessons and making positive changes in your life. Whether it's taking care of your health, building strong relationships, or pursuing your passions, it's never too late to start living your best life. So don't wait until it's too late to learn these lessons. Take action now and start making a difference in your life today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and let us know in the comments which lesson resonated with you the most. Thank you for watching.